Have you ever considered becoming a phlebotomist?
Today we are going to talk about how to become a phlebotomist in the UK. But before we start, let's describe who a phlebotomy is.
A phlebotomy plays a crucial role in the healthcare system by collecting blood specimens for diagnostic testing. Their work directly contributes to the patient's diagnosis, treatment, and overall healthcare outcomes. Now, how do you become a phlebotomist in the UK? Becoming a phlebotomist in the UK entails obtaining the necessary education, training, and practical experience. Here is a step by step guide to help you pursue this career. First, educational requirements. To become a phlebotomist in the UK, while strict educational prerequisites are not in place, having GCSEs or equivalent qualification, particularly in the science subject, is advantageous. Employers sometimes or typically looks for GCES at A to C in English, maths, and science. Basic IT skills can also be beneficial. Candidates with healthcare experience. Options for gaining experience include volunteering in healthcare settings such as hospitals, clinics, or home patient care. 3. Complete a phlebotomy training. There are numerous of phlebotomy courses in the UK. You can go to Google and type phlebotomy course and you will have a lot of them pop up, and you can choose anyone you feel or near to you to start enrolling. Course which covers theoretical knowledge and blood collection, anatomy and infection control, as well as practical training including supervised benevolential practice. These courses typically range from 2 to 8 weeks. Step 4. Obtain practical experience. Now, in order for you to get a job in the healthcare system, you need to have one-on-one experience. It is crucial for proficiency. Seek practical placement through training programs, apply for entry-level positions, or participate in work placement or internship in healthcare settings. You can also apply through British Red Cross. Fifth, certification and registration. Although it is not mandatory, obtaining certification can enhance your employability. Relevant certification include recognized training providers as well as registration with professional bodies like National Association of Phlebotomists in the UK or the Institution of Biomedical Sciences, IBMS. 6. Apply for a job. It is so easy to find a job in the UK as a phlebotomist. All you need to do is to make sure you have your 6-month hands-on experience. NHS are always looking for workers to work with as a phlebotomist. Once you have completed your training and gained sufficient experience, start applying for phlebotomist position in the NHS hospitals and clinics, private healthcare facilities, and blood donation centers. 7. Continual professional development. CPD. Engage in continuing professional development to maintain and enhance your skills. This can include attending workshops, refresher course, participating in professional networks and conferences, and staying updated with the latest practice and guidelines in phlebotomy. If you'd like to become a phlebotomist, it is so easy. If you need support or assistance, you can reach out to me on 079088000235. I'll also put a link in the bio for you to click to register to become a phlebotomist in the UK. If you're looking for a job as a phlebotomist, you can reach out to me as well. I'm here to help you to become a phlebotomist Becoming a phlebotomist involves achieving basic educational qualification, gaining relevant healthcare experience, completing specialized phlebotomy training. Course require acquiring practical experience and obtaining optional certification registered with professional bodies, applying for phlebotomy positions, and engaging in continuous professional development. By following these steps, you can build a successful career as a phlebotomist. Next time, we are going to talk about how to become a phlebotomy instructor in the UK, whereby you can have your own phlebotomy school and train people to become a phlebotomist. I love you. Thanks for listening. Bye.